Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Your girl Virginia, all the way from South Africa, guys. We are exploring nature, guys. We are at Mpumalanga. Yeah, welcome to Mpumalanga. Ladies are singing, welcoming us with a beautiful song. Let's hear what they are singing, guys. Tama ubina kwari. Ita nga ubina. Chakela kantusa chakela. Ubina mahal. Ya ye. Mohari. Aus jona lebelang kwan. Oh. Guys, welcome to Potholes, a Blight River Canyon Nature Reserve. Blight Canyon Nature Reserve. A Blight Museum. Let's go and enjoy Mpumalanga fellow. Here is my crew, my people. So we are here to see the potholes. We're here to see the potholes. This is the gate. Nature at its best, guys. The beauty of Mpumalanga. Beauty of Mpumalanga. People are taking beautiful photos there. I'm not for the second time, Guys, people are taking pictures there, so let's go and create memories for ourselves, guys, so that we can see when we come back and relax, see what we were doing at Mpumalanga. We are having fun, guys. Photo session time. Let's do this, guys. Continue, watch the video. subscribe to my channel, like it, share it. Yeah, if you love nature, guys, this is Mpumalanga, guys. Beggarsford, the site of Beggarsford.
Di pila tseo. Yo, 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 yo. Ay, 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 ay. Beauty of nature, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Arata ela ya rena ya guru. Jesus. Banyana basatsi. Guys, here we are. Mpumalanga portal this. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty, guys. Mpumalanga for you. Wonders of the world. Oh, the video, yeah, guys. Yeah. Yes. My crew at the back. Touring Mpumalanga. Yay! I was up. Yeah, yes. You did. Okay.
Yo, guys, I'm so blessed. I was invited by my friend's husband. He was turning 60 and he loves nature, guys. So she said on my 60th birthday, I am going to take my close people to Mpumalanga, guys. So I was blessed to be one of the people that were invited, guys. Yeah.
Potholes in Mpumalanga. Eh? Hi. How are you? Yeah, good. Hey, this is so beautiful. Hi. Very much beautiful. And on the island thing, she. Hey, Mara, the beauty is not too much. Beautiful tour, guys. Touring our beautiful Mpumalanga potholes. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Beauty of nature, guys. My crew coming at the back. The crew coming at the back.
Yeah, guys, continue watching the video.
Nice.
Let's enjoy this Mpumalanga tour, guys. Yeah.
Beauty of the
So
world,
we
guys.
are having fun.
South African Mpumalanga for you.
So we are
Potholes
happy to be here. Happy to be invited.
Grand Canyon.
Beautiful creation of memories, guys. Yeah.
Okay.
Enjoy with us. Don't forget to share, like, and this is Mpumalanga for you guys. If you love nature, listen to the waterfalls. Yeah. the sound of the birds singing and all that, guys. Yeah. Sepela hape le wena o tlhaelle mo. There's a ghost window. No remote potholes. Potholes. Grand Canyon. Metsi a leshata. Metsi a leshata. But do not go beyond. Any pillow. Metsi a leshata. Ke ba botsa ke re metsi a leshata bo papa shiao. Wow. Yeah, this is the beauty of Mpumalanga, guys. Let's watch waterfalls. Yeah, let's enjoy this day, guys. The beauty of nature. Mpumalanga for you guys. Yeah. I love listening to the waterfalls. I love nature, guys. Nature is so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I'm here with my family. 40 years of friendship, guys. 40 years, 4 decades of friendship with my friend, guys. We are no longer friends only. We are sisters, and we trust each other, and we love each other, and the love extended to our families. Yeah. So here we are, guys. Spend this day with us. Mpumalanga, South Africa. Wow. The portals. Here are the portals, guys. Beauty of nature. Mpumalanga, South Africa, guys. Here we are. Have a look, have a look, have a look. Those who love nature. Here we go. Those who love nature. Here we go. Wonders of the world. In South Africa, Mpumalanga, not Pretoria, Mpumalanga. Have a look, guys. Just have a look. Just have a look. Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Hee
Welcome to God's Window, guys. We are now in a different place. We are going up the mountain. We are going to see and enjoy the forest, guys. We are going to eat lunch first. Then we'll proceed with our tour, guys. This is my friend Vicky, how's Nancy, and how's Johanna. So I love them, guys. So sisters for life. So this is your girl. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Enjoy this video, guys. So we are at God's Window. Yeah, let's explore God's Window together, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Continue watching. Hello.